So you may wonder how to add extra info into all of the databases that we've got set up in our template. And that's easy. So let's take an example. Again, let's go back to our contacts in the sales and marketing page. And, oh, there we go, here. If we look at May Smith again, if we look at information in there, there is nothing there telling me what their telephone number is. So let's add that in now. And that then can be defined as, so this is a new property, a new column effectively in the database, and you can set it up to be whatever type of information that you want. That could be text, number, excuse me, etc. But we have one here called phone. So let's add that one in there. And let's drag it up to the initial contact details. And then let's go back to our sales and marketing page. So open this as a page so we can see the information more clearly. And then go back to the board and display that telephone number in the properties. I think I clicked it, didn't I? Yeah, let's move it higher up. So I want that up here and along with the company. They're the main things that I need. Oh, it's not showing it because I haven't got any details in it, is it? So telephone number, which will be whatever. Go back to the sales page. And there you can see the telephone number displayed on that tab as well, on that card.